Alright everybody, how you doing? Just real quick, another Mr. Poestyle video. Got home from work, got my package here from RetroGameBoyz, from Mike at RetroGameBoyz, so just wanted to open it up here. Really quick video, show you. Won't do any gameplay with it or anything right now. We'll get to that all in good time. But he sent me a notification Friday. It was done and he mailed it out Friday. Today is Monday and it's here. So, you know, he sent that from Florida to me in Pennsylvania. So that's pretty good. Just right over the weekend. So, packed it up pretty nice here. Got a lot of packing to keep it safe. I just can't wait to get this bad boy plugged into my Atari 5200 and finally have a decent and reliable controller. But check out RetroGameBoyz. Type it in, you'll find their website. I actually first came upon them when I bought an Atari 7800 controller. It's a converted NES controller. Works great on the 7800, and they even made it look wood grain, look like an Atari. And you know, it can be used on your 7800 and or your 2600. So I do. I even use it on my Retron 77. So then I also bought one of the keypads for 5200 that you can hook a Sega Master System or I think also Sega Genesis controller into. And then you also have your pause and start and reset in your number pad for the 5200. So I got that a few weeks ago, haven't tried it out. Get around to these at the same time, I would think. Get a video out, but here it is in all of its glory. And we got our thank you card. RetroGameBoyz. RetroGameBoyz. And here is my new 5200 stick, the Dark Knight. Now you can also choose different colors for buttons and joysticks, I do believe. You got your horizontal and vertical, which you're also supposed to be able to use the horizontal for games like Kaboom, paddle games, Super Breakout. There's our stick. Very nice 3D printed case. And you got your A, B, and C, like your start, pause, and reset. And I believe D does nothing. That's your number pad. And there are your nice clicky action buttons for your Atari 5200. Mm-hmm. 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 3D printed case. Seems very nice, seems very sturdy. Nice support for your cord there. I'll play me some Hero, some Kangaroo, but mostly gonna play me some Popeye. So that's RetroGameBoyz. Check them out. Type it into the Googles. You'll find them all over. And there's some really sweet stuff that they make. And we'll get to some gameplay here in the very near future. Pretty sweet. We'll see you in the next Mr. Poestyle video. I gotta get to bed. Gotta be up early. Good nighty. Sleep tighty.